How is computer support unique for nonprofits? Nonprofits are a really interesting space. First of all, it's people with passion, which we really connect with. They're not doing their job because it's profit. They're doing their job because it matters and it's needed. How does that affect IT? Well, it makes training hard because you're constantly having a flow of non-technical people trying to use systems. So it's really important when it comes to nonprofits to evaluate how much technology do you want to deploy. You got to keep it clear, simple, easy to use. So if you're desktop based, that desktop's got to look the same for each user, and it's got to be clear. If there's a shared folder structure, that shared folder structure has to be in the same place. What happens then is you get one staff basically training another staff by saying, oh, just click here. That's where the files that you're looking for are located. It's very important to make the systems easy to use and constant and always the same, which means in the technical world where you've got to do updates and you've got to make configuration changes, that all has to be seamless. It cannot be user triggered. It's all got to just work. And that's why nonprofits are unique. From a budgetary reason, they're also unique. They have fixed budgets where they don't typically have a lot of growth. So what we do for our nonprofits is a lot of times the fixed costs to start up or to deploy new equipment, we amortize that over the cost of a contract, which makes it basically a fixed cost to the client, making it much easier to onboard and to take advantage of. So our approach is to provide a uniform interface, and this is what vendors really need to focus on, is give the client a uniform interface regardless. Make it that system runs on Friday just like it did on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And if there's a maintenance cycle that's needed, you do it after hours, not when the person turns the machine on and wakes up to a message that says update being installed. A good vendor really needs to understand the mission of the client and how to make their technology really fly. That's something we specialize in.